kahit hindi kayo creator or hindi kayo influencer, pwede tayong kumita sa ads on Reels ni Facebook. And ipapakita ko sa inyo in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Mimi and welcome sa ating home-based story. Guys, kung hindi pa kayo updated, maraming monetization feature si Facebook. Ito yung kikita ka ng cash and si Facebook or si Meta yung magbabayad sa inyo. So we have stars, in-stream ads, and ito nga yung pinakabago. This is ads on Reels. And yan yung isi-share ko sa inyo today. Paano tayo kikita sa ads on Reels sa Facebook nyo? Ayan. So guys, pag-usapan muna natin kung ano yung mga requirements. So una, syempre, kailangan meron kayong Facebook account. It should either be a business page or a regular profile na naka-professional mode. Para going professional mode, punta kayo sa Facebook profile nyo. Click nyo itong 3 dots para makita ang settings. Scroll down at i-click ang turn on professional mode. Pag-click nyo, you will see this page. I-click lang natin ulit dito sa baba ang turn on button. So, once approved, digital creator ka na. And next is, kailangan nyo ng valid ID and bank account. This is for when we are setting up our payout account or kung saan papasok yung kikitain natin dito kay Facebook. Okay, so let's go na dun sa mga qualifications. If i-check natin yung support page ni Facebook, guys, ito yung makikita natin. Ayan, so you have to be over 18, be a creator using pages or professional mode. You have to pass and remain compliant with their partner monetization policies. And yung last is you must be invited to the program or already have onboarded to in-stream ads.
What?
At this point, it leaves you in the dark kung ano yung basis ng kanilang invitation for ads on Reels. Pero I've been following yung mga people na nakapag-monetize na and i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga common factors kung paano sila invite sa ads on Reels. Okay, number 1, kung monetize ka na guys sa in-stream ads, automatically mai-invite ka na sa ads on Reels. So, we're gonna discuss that in a separate video, yung monetization ng in-stream ads. Number 2, yung mga na-follow ko, they have a minimum at least 5 to 10 reels on their account. And nakaset lahat yun sa public, walang mga watermarks na galing sa competitors like TikTok or Shorts or CapCut. And maganda yung quality nila. And then number 3, walang mga copyright violation. Most of the audio that they are using are theirs and it's original. Hindi sila gumamit ng mga background sound. Talagang makikita nyo naman yun doon sa babae. Nakalagay doon, original audio. So, suggest ko sa inyo, iwasan nyo rin gumamit ng mga background sound or if gagamit kayo, merong library si Facebook, doon kayo kumuha para sure na wala kayong magiging copyright claim. Number 4, dapat meron siyang at least 500 to 1,000 views per reel. Syempre, the more views, then mas malaking chance nyong ma-invite sa ads on Reels. So, meron ako mga nakita na walang masyadong maraming views yung mga Reels nila, pero monetize sila. Sa halip na views, yung padamihin nila, pinadami nila yung Reels nila. And then the last one is medyo unconventional to. Nakikita ko to doon sa ibang mga Reels maker na na-monetize. And they shared na nag-message daw sila kay Facebook or kay Meta to have them invited to the ads on Reels. So, paano mag-message? Ito guys yung process. Sa Facebook home screen, click nyo yung picture nyo sa taas para i-open yung menu. Scroll down sa pinakababa. Click report a problem. Scroll down ulit. Click continue to report a problem. Tapos, don't include in report. And then, dito sa select a product, piliin nyo yung profile or kung page naman kayo, select page. Then, makikita natin itong form na ito. So, i-upload nyo dyan yung screenshot ng inyong professional dashboard and yung monetization page showing na wala pa kayong ads on Reels. Then, type nyo na ang request message nyo dito sa box. So, ito yung nilagay ko sa akin. You can also use the same message. And sa ilalim ng message nyo, ilagay nyo yung link ng profile or page ninyo. Then, hit send and pray na marinig ni Meta ang request natin. So, to be honest, I also did this. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam if it really helped or not. Pero, I don't know. It's worth a shot. Wala namang nangyari sa account ko. Hindi naman ako na-restrict, na-block. Pero, ginawa ko na rin siya. Ayan. Once you've already passed the qualification, you will be invited. And ito yung makikita nyong notification sa inyong Facebook account. Start earning up to $500 with ads on Reels to earn more complete payment enrollment. So, click nyo lang yan. And then, makikita nyo tong page where it says ads on Reels is here. So, you can create Reels, earn money from ads on Reels, and get paid for plays. So, click lang natin yung get started. We need to set up our payment account para ma-activate natin to. So, pag natapos nyo na yan, guys, you can now start creating Reels and promoting and sharing it with your followers, your viewers, your friends. So, pwede nyo siyang i-share sa kahit anong platform online. Nasa inyo na kung paano nyo siya ipopromote. Ayan, so punta na tayo guys sa getting paid. Magkano ba yung binabayad ni Meta sa ads on Reels? So, ito guys, yung earnings ko noong first month ko sa ads on Reels way back June. Ayan, kumita tayo ng $23.30. And makikita nyo rin dito na pinadala yan ni Meta noong July 21. So, the next month. By the way, guys, payment method nila is through bank and PayPal only. And may minimum total earnings dapat na $100 bago nyo ma-withdraw. So, in this case, meron kasi akong additional earnings from the in-stream ads. So, nabuo natin yung $100. So, let's use this reel for example. Ito, meron siyang 7.6k views. The second one naman is 49.8k views. Para makita natin kung magkano na yung kinita niya, go to the top of your profile, tapos click nyo tong see dashboard. And then, makikita nyo tong inyong professional dashboard. And then, go to monetizations and punta kayo dito kay ads on Reels. Makikita nyo dyan na yung video natin na may 7,000 plus views earned about 13 cents. That's in dollars. And then, yung isa naman natin na may almost 50,000 views had already earned $1.45. So, papatak siya na per 1,000 views sa inyong Reels, meron kang ma-earn na almost 3 cents or 1.60 pesos. Hindi yan accurate guys kasi it would still depend sa engagement, advertisers, mga ongoing bonus programs. And I believe pwede nyo rin guys i-boost yung earnings nyo by using the Facebook Music Library. So guys, medyo mababa to be honest. Pero maganda kasi itong side hustle kung masipag kang gumawa ng Reels and kung natutuwa kang gumawa ng Reels. Okay, so guys, if you ask me if worth it pa ba or i-recommend ko pa rin ba na mag-onboard kayo dito or mag-try kayong mag-ads on Reels, definitely yes. Ayan. Bakit? Because we use social media. It's already part of our lives. Nagpo-post tayo, nanonood tayo ng videos. Bakit hindi pa tayo mag-earn from it, right? Kahit pa sabihin natin na maliit yan, it's still a side hustle that we can all benefit from. For now, I think it's time to end our video. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me until the very end. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and follow our page para makabalik kayo sa ating mga videos. And I will see you again on our next video. Bye!